3:45 a.m. We are at the shop. I'm at the shop. Woke up early to go to check out my truck in Indiana that I might buy. So it's going to be a nice day. I got my rig hooked up already. Let me see if everything's inside. So I put it on, one of my drivers is off and using his truck. I hope you don't mind, Armando. I'm gonna go look at this truck that I was eyeballing for a little bit, talk to the owner, and he has a lot of interest. I was one of the first ones that reached out, so we're gonna go take a look at it. It's something that I always wanted. It's gonna be a project for the shop and a local truck for us to run empty trailers and just use around Chicago. I got quite a long drive. It's about 5 hours one way. So let me start it right up here, warm it up, and head out. So the way it hooks up is you back it up to the truck, hook it up at its back. So you're lifting the drive tires and you're hauling it by the steer tires. So let me pre-trip it and I'll head out. All right, everything's ready to go. I'll give you a little hint of what I'm looking at today. I don't know. So 50 degrees in Chicago, end of December. Crazy. So everything's going good so far. I've been maybe 2 hours in. I'm about 80 miles from Indianapolis right now on I-65. So far so good. I had a little small delay with having all the things that I need to tow the truck. Some of them were missing, so I had to run to the other tow truck and swap it out. So it kind of delayed me a little bit, 30 minutes. So as of right now, I'm making good time. Should be there with it in about 2.5 hours. So still early. Feels really nice to drive again for a long time. It's been quite a while since I drove a long trip like that. So taking a little break. It's beautiful out here. Beautiful morning. Checking the truck. Just had to use the bathroom, so stopped for a second, checking if everything is fine, and we're about 2 hours away. Sun came out, so the drive is a little better now, and so far so good. I'm at exit 133 on I-65, one of my favorite exits. Personal reasons. I have good timing. I forgot about the time change, but it's gonna be about 10:30 by the time I get there, but I'll make it back on the way back. So I'm gonna eat something really quick, take a 30-minute break, and head out. Headed out, guys. Just took a little break. Have 2 hours left, so hey, what's up, brother? One of my left, so I'll let her. I think it's Toya. It is Toya. She's a girl. I should have her on a podcast. She's been with us for quite some time right now. I'm not gonna guess, but it's been a while. We'll have to definitely have her on. So, very, very hardworking girl, very safe, and it's just good to run into her. All right, Indianapolis, let's do it. I just think I found a truck. Oh, not this one. That's right here. Just started looking at it. Started walking around, checking. Greg has amazing collection here, which I'm gonna get to play in a little bit. Lots of cab overs, K100 right here, Golden Nugget W900A. Amazing collection. He's a fanatic. I will definitely shoot some of them in a little bit. This is what I came to see, so let me hop in really quick and see what's going on the inside. There's a little crack on the panel, which is right here, which I'm gonna work, but it's otherwise very clean. Oh yeah. Everything works. Very nice, clean bones. You see the inside of the sleeper. It's pretty good. Very clean. We're gonna clean that up. Very nice. Got a few things to work on, but everything seems to be very, very well taken care of. So we got oil here, battery, water, oil here. Air's build up, almost empty. That's fine. 104,000 on overhaul, which looks to me like they did it. It's new heads. Engine temperature, forward, rear, transmission, rear axle temp, control. Very nice. So I'm going to take it for a spin, see how that's going to do. I'll play with it a little bit, and I'm going to play with some more trucks, see if everything works before I take it out. I don't want to get stuck on the road. Sitting here trying to build air. The brakes are not releasing, so we'll see what's going on. But I'm going to try one more time, build the pressure, and then have the brakes released. I took it for a test drive. I like it a lot. Has brake issues. The brakes are stuck. I didn't take it for too long, but as you can see, already smoking in the back. I didn't want to start a fire, but there you go. I don't know if you can see this one. Yeah, it pulls very nice. The engine's strong as hell. The shocks, brakes, simple stuff that we need to address, but other than that, I like it. Dusty's helping me hook up. It's getting some wrenches right there. Oh, got a little problem. brakes on one of the sides, one of the shoes are getting super hot when I'm towing it. I had a feeling should have addressed it when I was there. I had a feeling the brakes are gonna get hot. I'm getting super hot over here. I'm gonna try to adjust the brakes. So buying some tools right now at the local hardware store. I was able to pull into the parking lot, and we're gonna have to see if I can adjust the brakes, loosen up the brakes a little bit, so it should be fine. All right, so we're gonna try to fix it. We got some tools. Smelling like brakes, but I'll try to get it freed up. Slack adjuster a little bit. Should be fine. Am I learning here? Just make sure every time you pull an old truck with rusted brakes to back off the slack adjusters, because it's I think it's heating up and it's expanding. Now I got enough clearance, but I think I should have just make it as big as possible. All right, let's check it out, see if everything's okay with the brakes. I'm at a truck stop, so hopefully everything is fine. That's fine. Let's see if we can get in there. Oh, is it hot? Nope. It's all good. Plenty of slack. Let's check the other one. Nope. Pretty good. Plenty of slack. Alright. Pretty good then. Everything's fine here. Yes. Everything looks good. I'll take a quick break, get a snack, head out again, and try to get home before dinner. I got about 2 or 3 hours left, 2.5 hours left, and I had a little brake issue, which you guys saw, but resolved it. It's all fixed, so now I'm just gonna continue home. A little healthy snack, RX bar, very healthy. Red Bull is also very healthy. Got a little issue. That's what I was afraid of. The door is so heavy that I now have to reinstall it. Oh, there you go. That sucks, man. My sleeper got damaged a little bit, but the wind just blew it off. Made it, guys. Back at the company. I'm gonna have to drop it. Let's see. Jose's still here. Beautiful. Yo, Jose. Somebody's having a party here. Who's having a party here? Tomek? You want to go check out the truck? What's up?
You finally made it back, right?
Yeah. So tired, man. Let's check it out. I lost the door.
No shit.
Yeah, there was a the wind pushed it open from the cargo. I have it, but it just like it opened it and messed up the bracket. So it's so sweet. It drives awesome, man. I drove it over there, but the brakes in the back are messed up, and now the front we got to look at it. So
Oh, okay. So we're talking about the cargo.
yeah,
Cargo door.
yeah. Get out, man. It's awesome. I'm gonna drop it now, go eat something, and go to sleep. I gotta go back south tomorrow and drive a lot, so I gotta go get some sleep. Thank you guys. I'll keep you posted.